Hi, Kristy in the Rada kitchen, and today I'm making a treat that's almost too cute to eat, and it is out of our almost too cute to eat recipe book, and it's little bird's nests. We're making them out of chow mein noodles, and we're even going to make a little bird to put in it. So let's get started. So what I did is I melted an 11-ounce package of butterscotch chips according to the package directions. Into that I'm going to add 3/4 cup of chunky peanut butter and just stir that in until it gets well blended. And then here I have 5 to 6 cups of those chow mein noodles. They're really crunchy. And we're going to pour that over it and stir them until they're well coated. And now you just drop the mixture onto wax paper and in a little nest shape, about 3 inches wide by about 1.25 inches high. And this should make about 24 nests. So while the nests are cooling, as they cool, they're going to stick together. So while those are cooling, we're going to make our little bird to put in the nest. And what it is these colored malted milk balls, or at Easter they're called robin eggs. And then you need a box of Mike and Ikes, and these are the berry blast ones. And just cut one in half. Now sometimes they will stick right on there, but I did dip mine in a little water. It seemed to stick it on the malted milk ball better. Well, there's his wings. And for his eye, I have paste food coloring. See, his wing fell off, but we'll just stick it right back on. And a toothpick. So if you get enough on the toothpick, you should be able just to paint the little eyes on there. And then I have some yellow writing gel. Actually, I couldn't find, it's better if you have just the yellow frosting, but the gel will work too. And you just make a little beak. And his wing don't want to stay, but I think once it dries, he'll be good. And then just set them aside and let them dry. Shouldn't take too long, a couple hours, about the time your nests are ready. So once the nests have cooled, they're ready to add your bird. You could also add some little jelly bean eggs or some pastel Jordan mints. And that's a treat that's almost too cute to eat. That's one of the recipes in our almost too cute to eat recipe books.